everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform any photo into a realistic pencil drawing using an app called DreamFace. And the best part, it's super easy and you can even use it for free. Okay, let's jump right in. First, if you don't already have DreamFace, just open the Play Store and then download it. And it's totally free to install. And once it's on your phone, just open the app and then log in with your Google account. That's the fastest way to get started. And here's the quick tip. DreamFace will give you a free package every week with bonus credits. So don't worry, you can start creating without spending a cent. And okay, now that you're logged in, let's get to the fun part. On the homepage, just tap on the AI filter and then scroll down until you find category called stylistic painting, this one, and then look for pencil draw, this one, just tap on it. This filter that we'll be using to turn our photo into a sketch. Just choose any picture from your gallery. It may be a selfie or a portrait of a friend or even a pet photo. And after that, just hit animate. And okay, like this, in just a few seconds, you will see your photo transform into a hand-drawn style sketch like this. Almost like an artist draw it by hands, and honestly, it looks very good. And okay, that's it. You have just learned how to turn any photo into a pencil drawing using DreamFace. It's super quick, super easy, and best of all, you can do it for free. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!